everyone, it's Disney Mission.
Hi. We're back for round 2. We recently did a video with Tammy opening up some Valentine's gifts a little early. And that was some pins that looked remarkably like this, the Main Street Magic Mystery Collection. But Tammy decided she needed a few more. So, part 2. Our dog is playing with his toy right now, so the weird squeaks. We got these from the same eBay seller, and we got 3 this time around. So hopefully with these 3 plus the 4 boxes we already bought, hopefully we get most of them, and if not, hopefully you can trade for them. So, should we get started?
Hopefully we'll finish the set.
I can't remember what the ones were we needed. There's the box if you want to.
Yeah.
I know we needed Mickey and
Bill, Mickey, Minnie, and Donald. And the other chaser, I think.
Okay, these both feel too big to be chasers, so I don't think either of these are a chaser. But first pin, maybe if I can get it out of the bag.
The suspense.
Yes, indeed. Okay, first pin. Donald! Head off of there.
It's a new one.
We didn't have that one before? No? Or did we? No?
No.
Great! That's awesome. Okay. The second one in this set. I was wrong. It is a chaser. It's the one that we already have. Let's see. That is
What color is it?
red. So that is Huey.
I think so.
And we still have not decided what that building is. I'm kind of leaning towards it's where the Coke corner is. But I don't know.
Yeah.
If
Yeah,
you
I
have
think
thoughts,
so.
let us know down below. I think it's down below, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Nah, you comment up above.
Comment up above. Okay.
No, it's below.
Give us your comments wherever you can. Why not put it right here? It's a scroll. Okay. Second set. Oh, look who it is.
Oh, yay!
It is Mickey the Mouse.
Yay! I'm so excited. We are doing awesome. Chasers are good to trade.
Okay. Now this one is also happy news. This one is Minnie the Mouse. Rather
So-
perfect that Mickey and Minnie were in the same box together.
Yes, that's even better. The only one we have to trade is a chaser so far. That is awesome.
And you still have one more you need or 2 more?
No, just
Dell?
Donald. Well, not Donald. Chip. No, Dell. Dell and the other chaser.
Okay. Here we go. Let's see. It's another Mickey the Mouse.
I like me.
Yes,
He's awesome.
for sure. All right. So let's hope this isn't though a duplicate box. Let's hope this isn't Minnie. I kind of feels like it might be, sadly. I think this might be a duplicate box. But maybe not. We'll see. Hard to tell when you're just filling it. Nope, it's definitely not. It's Goofy.
Goofy.
I love that Goofy.
He's a cute one.
He is. We already have that one, so now we have a few here that you got to find somebody to trade with. So, and we have some from the other kit, but you got Mickey and Minnie and Donald.
Oh, they are
So that is
awesome.
fantastic.
Yes, we do so good. Awesome, awesome. We need just two now, right?
The Chaser.
Dale and the
The
Chaser.
Chaser. Yep. What is Dell in front of?
I can't tell from the box.
Yeah, it's hard to see. Oh, he's in front of the magic shop. It says magic on it. Yep. Oh, and actually he's dressed up as a magician. It's really hard to tell in the little box, but he's dressed up as a magician. So
Oh, that's
that'll be a really cute one. We got to find somebody that has that. If you happen to have that pin and would like to trade, let us know. We'd be happy to trade with you.
definitely.
So subscribe down below. And anything else?
Let us know if you want to trade.
Have a magical day. All right. So here's our set. Not quite complete, close. There is Chip. He's just missing Dell. And Goofy and Pluto. Daisy and Donald. Then there's Minnie and Mickey. And then we have Huey and Louie. We just need a Dewey. And these are the ones we have available to trade. Another Huey, a Mickey, a Goofy, a Chip, and a Daisy.